Go. Bad motor scooter. Oh boy. Where? Probably straight, right?
It's gotta be this way, right?
I don't think so. Go. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's dark. Very dark. It's so scary. Oh, frick. Where is this gap? Oh. Oh. Wow. Oh. Oh man, hardest trail I've done so far, I'm thinking. Oh. Oh. It's steep right here.
What's that?
You want to go down this part? Kind of freaks me.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Wow.
I have not jumped in a while. I'm slopping myself. Yeah. I ain't doing that one either.
You wanna go? You want me to go?
I think I'll probably go in front of you eventually. Huh? All right, thank you. I got you. Oh, oh man. Yes, we're in the lights again. Oh. Oh. Wow. I can't believe how steep some of that got.
Look at that over there.
Oh yeah.
What's this?
This is a Grand Prix. I'm thinking.
Look at that over there.